Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to successfully install WordPress manually using your cPanel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on WordPress. So let's get started. As you're probably aware, most hosting providers these days include automated WordPress install tools such as Mojo, Softackles. These installers work great in many cases, but often stuff your site full of unwanted plugins and themes. In addition, these automated tools have a reputation for timing out or being completely unavailable at times, which can be frustrating if you are on a deadline. For the first step, we need to download the most recent version of WordPress. To download, let's search on Google. Here's the link, which is wordpress.org. Click on this link. At the time of this recording, the latest version of WordPress is 5.5.1. Let's download it. Meanwhile, it's downloading. Let's set up the database for WordPress installation on the cPanel. At this point, I'm assuming that you already have a hosting provider using cPanel and you have your domain already pointed at your host. I'm using Namecheap for this tutorial. Link is in the description. Your cPanel might look different than mine, so once you're logged in into your cPanel, navigate to the main dashboard and locate MySQL databases. Let's click on it. So here you can create new database. I'm going to name my database Demo WordPress. You can name your database anything you would like. So the new database has been created, and let's copy the name and keep it handy. You will need it later. The next step is to create a new user for the database we just created. I'm going to name the user WP Demo user and some numbers. Enter a password of your choice or use the provided password generator. Just make sure that your password is strong and secure. Now click on the button Create User. I'll copy the password because we are going to need it. Now that we have created the database and the user, we now need to add this user to the database we created earlier and assign privileges. Let's add it. Click on All Privileges. So now we have created the database and the user. We have also added the user to the database and assigned the privileges. These steps are now complete. So now let's extract the WordPress zip file that we downloaded. Let's navigate to the file wp-config-sample.php. We now need to rename this file to wp-config.php. Open this file with your code editor or text editor. I personally use Notepad++ for Windows. Now we are going to add the database information to this file. Locate the line that reads define DB name and add your database name. Let's copy and paste database name. Now we need to edit the database username. Copy the username and paste it here. The next thing we need is database password. Let's copy and paste the password here. Now we need to replace default unique keys and salts. You can generate keys by visiting the link provided here. Let's open it in the browser. Let's generate new keys. Copy the unique phrase and salt keys generated by the WordPress API and replace the default ones located in wp-config.php file. Let's save this file. We are done. Now let's navigate to the WordPress directory, select all files and make a zip folder to upload on our server. Now click on File Manager in cPanel and navigate to the root directory of your website, which is usually public_html. From the top toolbar of the cPanel, select Upload and browse for the zip file you created. Once the zip file has finished uploading, let's return to the directory by clicking the Go Back button. Now we can see the wp.zip file. Right click on the file and select Extract. We are going to extract it on the root. The folder has been extracted and we don't need this zip file anymore. Let's delete it. At this point, we are finished with the cPanel portion of this process. Now we can run the WordPress installation script by visiting the URL of your domain. In my case, this is learningword.press. So here you can select the language of your choice for the WordPress and click Continue. Enter your website title, your username, your password, and email. Hit Install WordPress. You'll be asked to log into your new site with your provided username and password. If you like my video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.